This is a review for Brita water dispenser. Like you can see, it's pretty big. Here's my hand next to it. This Brita water dispenser fits 1.13 gallons of water. So on top, like you can see, you can open this up, put your sink water in here. So just run it under the tap water will go in here. Then on the other side, you can see there's a filter. It comes with a filter, but you have to get the replacement filters, and this will purify with your water. And water will be ready right up in here. Put your cup under the nozzle, press it forward, and you have clean water. I usually keep it in the refrigerator so it's cold, and I've used it for years. Just have to get new filters to replace, which is very easy. Highly recommend it.